Good morning, students. I hope we all are safe and sound with your family. Now, students, just look at the pictures here first of all. There is one man, there is a dog, right? There is one man and dog, and then we can see the numbers of pictures going around. And we found that in these pictures, the main person is this man with a hat. Now, the name of this person is Rip Van Winkle. Now, this is the story about Rip Van Winkle. This name of this person is Rip Van Winkle. Now, what is the story? How the story is evolving around this person? We are going to read further, right? Now, Rip Van Winkle was a lazy man. Lazy man means not at all active. He always wanted to sleep. He slept the whole day. Now, just see. He slept whole day. This Rip Van Winkle slept whole day. His wife tried her best to get Rip Van Winkle to take up a job. Now, his wife, she tried a lot that Rip Van Winkle should take up a job. That he should go for a work. When he did get a job, he was asked to leave. When he did get a job, he asked to leave because he slept too much. Now, he used to sleep so much. Rip Van Winkle was a lazy man. His wife told him that you should get a job, you should go and work. His wife was tired of because he used to sleep a lot. Now, what happened one day? Now, one day, Rip Van Winkle, tired of his wife telling him to get a job, ran up a mountain. Now he ran up to mountain because his wife was continuously saying that you should get a job. Now then he ran up to a mountain with his favorite companion. Companion means friend. Favorite companion. His friend is his dog. He reached the top, crossed a stream. Stream is a small river. Now just see. He reached at the top of the mountain, crossing a stream, small river. Went to a spot where nobody ever came, and he sat down there. Now he went to that place where there is no one, and he could sat there comfortably. He wanted to sleep again. Just see. He had never had so much exercise in his life. Now, what was the exercise? That he has to go to the mountain. As he was a lazy man, so this was you can say a very heavy exercise for Rip Van Winkle. Now what happens next? He was just getting back his breath when he heard someone call his name. As he was very tired, he was sitting comfortably. What he heard suddenly? Rip Van Winkle? Strange, nobody knows me here. Now he heard his name, and he says that nobody knows me here, then who is calling me? Thought Rip Van Winkle. Now he turned around and saw a funny looking man carrying a big barrel. Now what is a barrel? Now just see. It is a bowl made of a wood. Understood? Now just see the shape of a bowl. Like it is this. Curved. Now, he saw a funny looking man carrying a barrel. The funny looking man said, "Please help me carry this barrel to my friends." Now there was one funny looking man. Funny looking man was there. He said to Rip Van Winkle that I want to give this barrel to my friends a little below the stream. Now that place where the barrel is to be given to the friends of funny looking man, and where the friends were living below the stream, and he was at the mountain. Now just see, what do you think was in the barrel? So first of all, the first question is that what do you think was in the barrel? Now Rip Van Winkle had climbed so far up the mountains to avoid work. Now Rip Van Winkle went to the mountains. Why? Because he wanted to avoid work. He don't want to work at all. He want to take rest. Here, here was a man asking for help. Now as he avoided the work, now there was one man who was asking for the help. He first decided to refuse. Now first Rip Van Winkle said, no, I will not go. But then he thought, let me help the poor man. But then Rip Van Winkle thought that I should help that poor man. And after helping that, then I will rest. So he and his funny looking man walked down to a cave. Now they went down to a cave in the mountain. There was a cave in the mountain below the stream, down the stream. There Rip Van Winkle saw many other funny looking man. Now there was many funny looking man. You can see the picture also. All of them were playing. They ignored him. All the funny looking man ignored whom? Rip Van Winkle. Now as soon as barrel was placed on the ground, the men pulled out mugs. Why they pulled out mugs? They took out their mugs. They dipped. They want to drink what is in the barrel. Now, dipped them into the barrel and drank something. There was something in the barrel, in that bowl. It was a strange, sweet drink. Now, why strange? This we will come to know later on. Why the drink was strange. Now, Rip Van Winkle too dipped a mug in a barrel and drank it. And Rip Van Winkle also drank the liquid that was there in the barrel. It tasted good. He had one more mug. After having 3 mugs, he fell asleep. Now, after drinking the liquid drink from the barrel, he went to sleep. When he woke up, he saw that all the funny looking men had gone. Now, where are they gone? He called out to his dog. But there was no response, no one replied, there was no one around. He could not believe that he had slept the whole day and night. He was not able to believe that he slept whole day and night. He got up, his joint ached, his body was aching. Now why do you think his joints ached? Just think about this question very carefully. Why do you think his joint ached? Why his joints were paining? Now, as he started walking back home, now he wanted to go back to his home. He saw the village down below. From where he saw the village? From the mountain, which somehow seemed changed. Now, the village seemed to change. Why? When he entered the village, he saw new faces. When he entered his village, where he was living, he saw new faces were there. All the people looked at him. Now all the people around were looking at him and rubbed their chins. They all were rubbing their chins. Seeing them do this, Winkle did the same. This man Winkle also did the same. He also rubbed his chin. Now what happened? To his surprise, he found that he had grown a foot-long beard overnight. Just see. When he rubbed his chin, what he saw? That he had a long beard grown overnight, within 1 day. Is this possible? Just see. Now, what happens next? Very interesting story. Rip Van Winkle was puzzled. Why he was puzzled? That within 1 night, how the long beard can grow. He believed that he knew most of the village folks well. Folks means people. Now he believed that he knew all the people of the village. But today he could not see anyone who was known to him. But according to his knowledge, he knew everyone in the village. But now today, he did not know the persons. The children made fun of him, running behind him. Now Winkle stopped by a place where there had been a school. Now this Rip Van Winkle stopped at a place where there had been a school and asked the crowd that had gathered. Gathered means a group of people had standing there. Where is the school now? The schoolmaster. Where is this person? The schoolmaster. Somebody said, oh, Spooner, he went to war in 63 and never came back. Now this man went for the Rip Van Winkle was asking about this man, schoolmaster. He went for a war in 63 and he never came back to the village. Now again surprised. And now he's asking about another person. And Van Dammel asked Rip Van Winkle. He died 18 years back. 18 years back this person died, said another voice in the crowd. Now Rip Van Winkle thought, am I going mad? Had I slept all these years on the mountain? Now just see, after he said that this person died 18 years back. Now Rip Van Winkle is thinking that how many years have I slept? Finally Rip Van Winkle asked, does anyone here remember Rip Van Winkle? A woman said, yes, he was my father. As he was standing in the crowd, he asked that anyone remembers this, anyone remember me, Rip Van Winkle? There was a woman said, yes, he was my father. He went up to the mountains 21 years back. Now just see for how many years this person slept. 21 years. But never returned. His dog came back without him. Dog came back to that place without him. Now Rip Van Winkle was overjoyed. He was very happy. He said, daughter, it is me, Rip Van Winkle. Don't you recognize me? Oh my father, it is really you? Where have you been all this while? Now the daughter is asking, where have you been for all these years? Said his daughter. Father and daughter hugged each other. They were very happy to meet. Now, Rip Van Winkle had indeed slept for how many years? 21 years. And within 21 years, lots of things changed. So what is the message in the story? That one should not be lazy. We should always be active. Right, students? Now there's the back exercises that you're going to do, and then you can match your answers with the answer key that has been sent to you. Thank you, students.